大家好，我是13安。今天是个非常重要的日子，我要带这台车去注册，然后顺便验车，还要验 VIN number。那希望 OK 啦，希望一切都可以成功，然后注册到加州，然后拿到加州车牌。好，直接就去吧。现在这边离监理处算是蛮近的，所以还不错。因为这台车没有车牌，我就买保险而已。刚好隔2条街就是了。哇，这算是我第一次骑这台在路上，除了上次试骑之外啦。然后是配新的轮胎。好险今天没有在下雨了，天哪！好，启动。呼。虽然只有2个 block， 我还是再注意一下。我也希望今天人不会特别多，每次去监理处人都超多，加上今天还要检查我的 VIN number， 要去排队，要排车子要排队，花会很久。我记得应该是在这边吧。哇，这个脚踏后移的后刹好硬。
Yes, motorcycle. At window number 9.
Yeah, he bought it from Nevada, and then he never registered in Nevada, and then later on he sold it to me to have a bill of sale as well. Oh, so he needs to mail me this?
He needs to mail you this. You have the motorcycle here too?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I can do it for vacation too. Okay, so I just need to have him physically sign.
Yeah, they need to. This is the only thing they need to do.
Alright.
The rest you can do it. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So this is your temporary operating permit.
Right. I can put it in the bag, maybe.
No,
No?
because if it rains, then this will get all wet. So you put it under the seat.
See? Okay. Yeah.
So if the officer put it over, you can show this to them. Bring this
yeah.
and the verification and the bill of sale.
Okay,
and
all together.
the disclosure.
And that's good. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. 好啦，他现在给我1个月的临时车牌，那主要是给我验车用啦。缺了一张要看 odometer 里程数，要记里程数的，然后对方要签名，因为我现在这个签名是人家寄给 email 给我的，他要实体。好，那先去验车。刚刚发现这很方便，我还可以夹文件，刚刚好，因为等一下验车需要。感觉上验车应该只是检查那个车身号码，其他东西好像他们不会特别去在乎。但是我要骑在路上还是要装灯啊。他现在给我了红色的这个临时牌嘛，那可以骑1个月的车子，这个月之内要补那个文件，所以看起来 paperwork 这些文件申请文件都没问题了。放下心中的大石头。那现在就是要验车，他要看那个车身编码。其实如果你不是买像其他州车子啊，只是加州一般车子在买卖，最后注册也是要来 DMV 注册啦。只是你可能先跟对方付完钱之后，然后拿到他的那个车籍资料，他叫 title 嘛，或是叫做 pink slip， 你就直接在那边注册，然后就没有问题。那买卖的过程其实很方便，你只是付钱给人家，然后人家把他的车籍的那个证明给你，然后在10天之内你就过来注册就没问题了。这台车第一次挂牌哦，这算是我买过最接近新车的一台车， 如果最后真的完成成功的话，我觉得算是我捡到宝。这台车市价那时候看多少钱？13000是不是？还要加税。2017年的版本，虽然已经停产了啦，可是如果是上一年去买的话，那哇，这次买真的捡到便宜，买7000块。影片中应该看不出来，其实我现在心脏就是砰砰砰砰跳。就验车我知道没问题，可是那种当你已经快要拥有这台车的时候，完全可以解决这件事情的时候的那种感觉，真的有差欸。当这台车要是你的时候，感觉真的很不一样。我之前刚拿到这台车的时候，看它的时候会觉得还是很陌生，然后开始装东西装回去啊，都整理好的时候，轮胎也装好之后，慢慢觉得好像是我的车了，这种感觉就会再多看2-3眼。哦，对了，它有可能会检查车身的那个一个不是车身编码，是个标志，就是会显示说这台车是不是加州可以挂牌，因为加州有自己的环保法规，所以每台车要经过加州的环保法规的验证之后，才能在加州骑、加州挂牌。那像这台 Triumph 它的设计就是全美国都统一一个系统，都有符合加州法规，所以就没有这个问题。噔噔，自备，我是棋子，因为等一下要拆油箱。
This truck is 12 years old. It has 124,000 on it.
Oh, nice.
It's a 6-speed Allison transmission. There's no two things wrong. Tailgate's fucked up. Hey, you know, Stevens Creek Chevy on Santa Tomas?
Yeah?
Give me 14,000. I said, fuck you guys. I got it on Craigslist for 25. I got some guy.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
Some guy from Sacramento wants to buy it for 25.
Yeah. Were you thinking about trading in?
No.
No?
Trade. Oh, they fuck you when you even sell it to them. It's kind of fucking thing.
Yeah, don't even consider it.
Fuck them.
他刚说如果你卖车啊，然后拿去 dealer 的时候做 trading 的话，那个或是直接卖给 dealer 的话，哇，那个价钱已经非常非常烂，那一定的啦。车商不是笨蛋，他们赚你钱啊。换我了吧。Do you need to see the emission sticker?
Yeah, give me
Okay.
a moment.
Sure. It's underneath it, so.
Okay. And I'm also going to need to see the engine number too.
Oh, it should be the frame number.
That's a VIN, but I'm going to need to see the engine number as well.
Okay.
So I do need to see the emissions label.
Sure. This one.
Because it has a number for engine family. Wait, keep holding it up.
Okay.
So
There's a number right there. So let me see.
are you able to take a picture of it? Or?
Let me see. Actually, let me see if I can put this fairing off. Okay.
Where are you seeing that?
Right here. Right here.
Oh, back there.
Yeah.
There you go.
OK， 好了，基本上就是检查车身号码、引擎号码，确定这台不是赃车，然后当然还有检查那个环保法规，看是不是加州可以注册，还是没有车牌，至少现在有临时牌了。啊，没车牌路上骑车很嚣张哦，应该不会有警察拦我吧？哦，现在是放下心中的半颗大石头，我好兴奋哦！好了，现在可以直接骑回家了，爽！好了，我觉得这也算是这个 绿改验车计划画下半个句点。我最后正式文件补齐的时候呢，就再跟他做个总结好了。迫不及待想要知道这台车接下来的仿赛日记会是什么样子。好，现在欢迎 Daytona 加入13家族。那之后有什么更多的发展呢？就让我们拭目以待。谢谢大家。